Hello friendly friends. Yeah, today cleaning out the closet and I'm showing you one of my collections that are collecting dust at the moment are Star Wars Legion. I really want to start painting on them and I don't know what's stopping me. So yeah, this is a project that hopefully we're going to start soon. I just really like the miniatures. Someday it will be done and it will be an awesome collections. The miniatures are very cool. Part of me want to collect all of them, all of Star Wars Legions, everything that's coming out, but I have stopped myself. I have bought all this you can see here, and I'm finding like, well, I'm not painting it, so why am I collecting this if I'm not painting it? So I'm stopping myself from buying more Legion before I have painted all this. So that's my rule, and it's kind of my rule for everything else I have in the house right now. I'm trying to stop my purchases and just start using what I have, because I have a lot of stuff and a lot of the things in my collections are things I have just fallen hard in love with, and then for some reason it is just not been started on. For me it is, I want to say it's a problem that I'm becoming a hoarder, and it doesn't feel good, so I have to do something about it, but come on. They're cool miniatures. So anyways, yeah, thank you all for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for more from Warboss Tae Painting Challenge 2020. I'm trying to do live painting sessions every day, so yeah, stop on by, say hello if you want to, and yeah.